The people coming from Eastern India, whether they are coming from Bangladesh or Eastern India, from Assam, Odisha, Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, they are the economic safety valve in the urban areas. They provide the cheapest labor in the city. And for in city people require labor for every job. कपड़े धोने वाली एक चाहिए, बर्तन साफ करने वाला एक चाहिए, खाना बनाने वाला एक चाहिए, देन सिक्योरिटी गार्ड भी चाहिए, एक हमें माली भी चाहिए, एक ड्राइवर भी चाहिए. And all are available on very nominal price. How it become possible? It is not possible anywhere else in the world, in developed world particularly. If you are in USA and if you have a small garden, you have to cut your grass yourself. No, the price or the labor cost of the Mali is highest in USA, higher than the an executive of in a software company. Labor force, हम जैसे यहाँ कितने रुपए में, 300 रुपए में पूरा दिन, 400 रुपए में एक लेबर मिल जाती है, कुछ भी काम कराइए. If you want to change a room, if you want to shift your luggage from this flat to another flat, in India एक लेबर को क्या देंगे, 2-4 लेबर ले लेंगे, 500 चारों को देंगे 2000 रुपया. The same work if it is required in London or in Paris or in Munich or in any of the country in America, you have to pay 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees in Indian currency, I am telling you. So labor price, that's why I am telling you, they are the economic safety valve. They are giving variety of services. And problem is DDA is the in Delhi Development Authority is responsible to provide home to them. TDA has constructed many houses, variety of houses, but not the sufficient houses for the poor people. That's why slums comes out, squatter settlement mushroomed all over the vacant place or the common places in Delhi. हमें labor तो चाहिए लेकिन उनके लिए घर नहीं है, तो कहाँ रहेंगे वो, कहीं तो रहेंगे. So this is one of the reason of low price in Eastern India. This I correlated with this. And simultaneously this is same, this is river Yamuna, this is another river, this is Yamuna, this is Ganga, this is, you can say, one started Ram Ganga, Gomati, Ghagra, Gandak, they all join. This is Gomati, Ghagra. Ghagra means Saryu river, and Gandak, and so many other rivers like Bagmati river, Kosi river, San Kosi river. This is San Kosi river. You can say Kosi and San Kosi and Bagmati. Series of rivers are there. All these are the Himalayan rivers. They are the peninsular rivers also. Like Son river. Son river originates from Maikal and joins the Ganga near Patna. This is Son. Simultaneously, Chambal river originates and joins the Yamuna. Chhipra river moves like this. Gambhir river moves like this. Kali Sindh joins like this. This is Ken river. This is Parbati river. Banas river is there. Banas river is there. So this is Gambhir. Gambhir river. Not Gambhir. Gambhir is this side. So this is Gambhir. This is, you know, Kumbh. Where Kumbh used to take place in India, at which places, at how many places?
4.
Kumbh rotates at how many?
4.
Neeraj. Yes. Tell me the name of the places where Kumbh used to take place.
Nasik, Maharashtra, and Allahabad.
And दो ही जगह होता है कुंभ, एक और होता है.
हरिद्वार.
अच्छा, और इसके अलावा इस साल भी कुंभ होना है. कहाँ होना है?
उज्जैन.
उत्तराखंड. कहाँ?
सर उज्जैन में होता है. उज्जैन.
That is called which river?
उज्जैन.
Sipra river. Sipra is the tributary of Chambal. This is Chambal. All these river originates from Vindhyas and passes through Bengal. This is Kali Sindh.
Spra.
This is Betwa. This is Ken. This is Parvati. All these rivers also originating from peninsular plateau and draining to the Ganga river. So these are the different tributaries of Ganga system. So this is one drainage system, Ganga drainage system. And I think this is sufficient. I'll give you some map of the drainage system of India. You will read it, but your time is okay. Now let's start. Let me start the new topic. We'll discuss. We'll continue it tomorrow, but we may start the new topic. Or should I stop it here only? Start to conclude भी होना चाहिए. This is you came to know the Prayags. This is Ganga river system and the peninsular rivers. All the name I have given. Can you name some of the rivers which make estuary in India and moves westward, crossing the Western Ghat? Can you name Narmada, Tapti? Apart from these two rivers, Periyar, in which state Periyar is there? Kerala. And some rivers make the backwater. Periyar makes the backwater. Backwater, like near Alleppey and all, the backwater where boat houses are there, good tourist destinations are there. The Goa is also located on the confluence of two rivers make the estuary. One is Mandovi river and one is Juari river. This is Mandovi and this is Juari river. These rivers carry huge amount of water. This is Goa and this is Panji, and they have the tidal bore. Sea water entered up to the interior of it. But this area is very one of the this Goa is known for iron ore production. So these two rivers become very helpful for transporting the iron ore ships, small ships from the interior of the continental region to the coastal region. They bring in the small ships. They extract the iron ore and bring it here to the Marmagao port. Marmagao is here. So from here the ship transportation, they are very useful here. Kali Nadi, Sharavati. Sharavati is the tributary Sharavati which makes a very important fall in India. The highest waterfall, Jog Fall is there. They all are in the Western Ghat. Kali Nadi, Sharavati. Then this is Netravati river. These are in Karnataka. So we have the backwater and estuaries are there in Western Ghat. So this is all about the drainage system of India. So thank you very much for this class.